Carbon steel for dependable, long-life blade that stays sharp. Close-cutting square blade, can be zero-gapped. Replacement blade for Andis model Go and GTO trimmers. T-blade trimmers, like the Andis T-outliner, are favored by barbers for their ability to cut crisp outlines and designs. The GTX T-outliner deep tooth blade allows longer hair to feed through the blade faster and can be used for light fading. Trimmers used with attachment combs are perfect for beard maintenance. Andis Company has been crafting professional-grade tools since 1922. Top reviews from the United States. Sharp cutting blades. Fast shipping and met expectations. Durable. Easy to install and works great.